A 500 XRP is worth a lot more than you might believe. Hello there, everyone, and, once again, welcome to the channel. You must have heard about the well-known SRPs, which are all the rage these days. And it's no joke because XRP is worth a lot more than you think. Which is why we're going to talk about the value of XRP in the future year in this video, because Ripple and its native cryptocurrency, XRP, have a promising future. Having a few 500 SRPs is worth a lot more than you may believe. Before moving on to the next video, keep watching the video until the end to figure out how much XRP you need to add to your portfolio to ensure you don't miss any videos. Make sure you've subscribed to the channel and click the notification bell sign. Let's get this bash going. XRP is a cryptocurrency that has captivated enthusiasts since its introduction due to its high volatility. It's a native token for Ripple's ambitious payment system, which aspires to supplant SWIFT as banks' preferred way of international money transfers. Many folks, though, have a query. Will the Ripple value rise if XRP investors hold their tokens if Ripple has a good future? Continue viewing if you want to learn more. Before we get to the predictions, let's take a look at the past. Let's take a look at the history of XRP. What exactly is XRP? Even experienced investors will discover that learning about Bitcoin investments is akin to learning a new language. You've definitely heard of Bitcoin and Ethereum, the two most prominent cryptos, but many others haven't. The RippleNet network for currency exchange and cross-border transactions is hosted by Ripple Lab, which employs XRP, MoneyGram International, a money transfer provider that uses digital assets, joined MoneyGram as a cross-border payment and foreign exchange settlement provider in 2019. And we agreed to buy a 30% share in a 2-year deal. The 2-year romance, however, came to an end in March. In December 2020, the Securities and Exchange Commission charged Ripple with creating over $1.3 billion through an unregistered securities offering using digital assets, specifically XRP. Neither corporation was involved in the litigation that ended in their company's dissolution. MoneyGram officials did remark, however, that after the issue was made public, the Ripple stopped working. Almost a year later, the lawsuit is still ongoing. The allegation does not apply, according to Ripple, because XRP is a virtual currency, like Bitcoin and Ether, and not an asset. The case has gotten a lot of press. Ripple's outfit has had its ups and downs. In March, a judge in the case made statements indicating that she agreed with Ripple's claims, at least in XRP as a currency. The court recently ruled that holders of XRP may not testify on behalf of Ripple. Things are starting to whirl around in an attempt to pull off a last-ditch victory. However, other aspects, such as the SEC vs. Ripple instance and the Ripple pricing split, remain constant as we move forwards to 2022. The currency had a market value of 25 cents and a market cap of $9 billion. 206,107,560 in January 2020. The Ripple currency picked up according to the historical price movement at previous year's price forecasts, and XRP's price climbed beyond 25 cents, reaching his resistance level. From the time of his inception until the beginning of March 2020, Ripple's price had risen by over 150% and was trading at around 35 cents. However, it did not endure as the price began to fall after that, dropping to 15 cents by the end of the quarter and even lower. With a 24-hour trading volume of 241,861 divided by 4 divided by 3 US dollars, the current price of XRP is 241,861 divided by 4 divided by 3 US dollars. XRP is now trading at 0.968960444 since the crypto market meltdown in May of 2021. With a live market cap of about $4.57 billion and a market provider of 100 billion XRP coins and a circulation supply of 47 billion XRP coins, the current coin market cap ranking is number 7. With a market provider of 100 billion XRP coins and a circulation supply of 47 billion XRP coins, between 56 cents and $1.39. The price of XRP has been consolidating in a horizontal channel. The price has not changed. The train is currently in neutral territory, but it may return around 89 cents to the 0.618 Fibonacci level before continuing higher. As a result, as long as there is no negative news in the crypto market, the stochastic RSI is at its lowest level for the daily time frame. Price drops in Ripples. The Ripple litigation has been a major roadblock to the bull market's price climb, although Ethereum and Bitcoin, which have similar characteristics to XRP, are not considered securities by the Securities and Exchange Commission. Shortly after the lawsuit was filed, the price of XRP plummeted by 70% and has never recovered. Shortly after the lawsuit was filed, the price of XRP plunged by 70%. And it has never been able to regain its previous high since major crypto exchanges like Coinbase and Crypto.com suspended trade, preventing XRP investors from cashing out. A high of 2 XRP holders have been damaged. JP Morgan predicted XRP. The famous JP Morgan North America Equities study published a paper saying that the XRP asset was poisoned for mass adoption, according to CEO Brad Garlinghouse. The courts realized earlier this month that the case has broader implications than XR, and they're beginning to ask the right questions. During an interview with CNBC, the CEO stated that the SEC case is nearing completion. He came to a conclusion. XRP holders also filed a friend of the court brief with a support Ripple, allowing them to participate in the lawsuit as individual defendant XRP files. On the other hand, they can't be identified as defendants in the current case. There are many forecasts for the Ripple forecast in 2021. All of which must represent the market state, according to as projected by Moody's. This includes the peak price, what it would be worth at the end of the year, and its current lowest value during the year. 2021 will be a good year for blockchain. According to Moody's analysis, the significant increase in criteria will have a direct influence on the Ripple price. Ripple's XRP has already set development goals for 2020, given how prior events or simple announcements have caused XRP's value to surge. The currency might reach $2. This is going to happen. The collaboration with these traditional institutions has previously influenced XRP's popularity, and, as a result, its value increase. If the Ripple Technologies action partners with more financial institutions, the collaboration with these traditional institutions has previously influenced XRP's popularity and, as a result, its value increase. More collaborations equate to more results. However, things are a little more complicated. This translates to increased value for XRP as a result of the situation's intricacy. The second action is taken. More traders have been bearish on the XRP coin as a result of the litigation, raising concerns that it may go below 10 cents. All of these occurrences highlight how fickle Bitcoin can be. Retail investors and traders have pumped up the price, allowing it to pick up again. In 2021, the RP experience will be a true breakout. For almost $3, it has the potential to reach an all-time high. RP forecast for the coin PDX, despite the threat of a lawsuit hanging over his head, according to Quanpedia. Ripple XRP will trade at an average of $20. Over 250 partners are already adopting RippleNet instead of existing pricing in the next 5 years. XRP projection by Forbes Research. According to a $1 billion forecast published by Forbes, XRP might reach $10,000, and owning 500 XRP tokens can instantly make you a millionaire. The XRP, on the other hand, can be used as a global payment system. Ethereum, according to the participant, is an open-source blockchain that is revolutionary and has various distinguishing features. Ripple has the potential to eventually replace the world banking system. Ripple might be worth $10,000 each coin. It will be well before 2027, as it has one of the most active communities in the cryptocurrency space, as well as one of the most heavily promoted social media platforms. On the upside, the price of XRP is expected to increase as high as 1.9, with a probable retest of the 67 price barrier. In India, the price of XRP is expected to be around $140.50 in 2021. Should individuals put money into XRP, the development of a series of revisions known as the Theory 2.0, which will include features such as functionality, security, and energy efficiency, will determine whether it can reach $10,000 in the next 5 years. Choosing whether or not to invest in XRP is the most difficult decision to make. It is now substantially less expensive than the majority of other cryptocurrencies in the crypto market. This makes it accessible to a broad spectrum of investors and well-suited for widespread adoption and educational objectives. Is it, however, financially worthwhile over the next 5 to 10 years? It does not appear to be the best investment in the market. However, facts and emphasis indicate that it will grow 5 or 6 times in the next 5 years in the best-case scenario. However, because demand is great, a value of less than $1 does not appear to be negative. The benefits that appear to be offered such as transaction speed and low fees, make them appear to be a wise investment with the potential for institutional backing and development. Sure. But what do XRP specialists have to say about them? I predict that XRP's price spikes will begin when it competes with Ethereum around $589. According to certain sources, XRP can reach a 5-digit value in notes in this speculative crypto market. Such a climb is expected, but it may take a few years to make all of this a reality. XRP must climb a steep hill with rising market capitalizations. The current market capitalization of XRP is $32 billion. According to CoinMarketCap.com, inferring that the predicted expansion will necessitate a big increase. No one can stop you from achieving financial success if you take advantage of this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to enter the market. Now, regardless of how much the XR costs, many investors who have deposited hundreds of dollars into the project hope that XRP will help them become millionaires or billionaires. That's all there is to this video. Please share your ideas and opinions about XRP. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment on the channel. Don't forget to press the notification bell symbol as well. So, until next time, stay safe and keep filing, and I'll see you in the next video with more fantastic information.